Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the World Nature Conservation Day. The World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on July 28 every year. Conservation means the wise use of earth and its resources. It is celebrated to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources and to make people understand the importance of conservation of nature. The day recognizes that a healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and productive society. This day also ensures the well being of present and future generations. Nature provides us with all the essentials for our daily needs. Due to overpopulation and human negligence, we started to overexploit our resources. Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can be preserved for future generations. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution using plastics, chemicals, etc. Industrial development and several other factors are also responsible for the depletion of nature. If this continues, there will be no resources left for our future generations. Here are some simple habits to implement in your daily life to make a huge difference in conserving the environment. Recycling. Try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as possible. Recycle everything if it is possible. Second one, reduce the consumption of water. Third one, plant trees and makes the planet green. Fourth one, reduce the use of electricity. When your work is done with an electric appliance, then turn it off. Fifth one, quit smoking. Smoking doesn't just harm your body but the environment as well. Sixth one, reduce pollution by choosing walking instead of bike, car, or by carpooling. There are also three essential words about the conservation of environment, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. Let us come together and make an effort to contribute to the local, national or global levels in conserving nature. It will not only benefit our present generations but also for future generations. Conservation is a course that has no end. There is no point at which we will say our work is finished. Thank you.